To answer these questions, one must first delve into the unique structure of Iran's economy. Iran operates a mixed economy, a blend of private enterprise and central planning. The public sector plays a dominant role, accounting for approximately 60% of the economy. This central planning, a legacy of the country's socialist past, has shaped much of Iran's economic landscape. The Iranian economy is a mosaic of diverse sectors. At its core, the hydrocarbon sector holds sway, thanks to the country's immense oil and gas reserves. Iran is no ordinary player in the energy market. With 10% of the world's proven oil reserves and 15% of its gas reserves, it wields considerable influence on the global stage. This is what makes Iran a potential energy superpower. Yet the economy isn't solely dependent on oil and gas. Iran has a thriving agricultural sector, providing livelihoods for millions and contributing significantly to the country's GDP. The service sector, too, plays a crucial role, ranging from tourism to information technology. In addition to these, the manufacturing and financial services sectors are also integral to the Iranian economy. Over 40 industries are directly involved in the Tehran Stock Exchange, which, interestingly, has been one of the best-performing exchanges in the world over the past decade. To summarize, Iran's economy is a complex, multifaceted entity. It's a mixed economy where the public sector and central planning play a significant role. Various sectors contribute to the economy, with the hydrocarbon sector being the most influential due to Iran's vast oil and gas reserves. This positions Iran as a potential energy superpower. Yet, as we ponder on Iran's economic might and its potential as an energy superpower, we must also consider the challenges it faces. From geopolitical tensions to internal economic reforms, the path to realizing its full potential may be strewed with obstacles, but as history has shown, Iran has the resilience and the resources to navigate through the toughest of times. In the end, one cannot ignore Iran's potential. As the world continues to grapple with energy needs and economic uncertainties, the spotlight may well and truly be on this Persian nation. Only time will tell if Iran will rise to the occasion and become the energy superpower it is poised to be.